Hi there, 8th graders. It is Mr. Kerr, and we are in week 8 of 8th grade second semester. Remember, we are now into Unit 4, which is Reconstruction, Industrialization, and Immigration. And this week, we are looking at, the title is Getting the Nation Back on Track. And you might see a little bit of a train theme going this week. So anyways, a couple of reminders as we get into week 8 here. First of all, hopefully you're watching this on Monday. You're taking a look through the suggested schedule, and you'll stick to that suggested schedule and work it in with the schedule in your other classes. Take a look at your grade book. Make sure not only go back and look for any missing or very low assignments you have, but also look for the feedback I've given you in assignments that you've turned in, and go through your suggested schedule, and also the quiz, your weekly quiz for week 8. I've moved it up here to the beginning of the week, so please take it at the beginning of the week and take notes on it. Now, 2 assignments this week. You'll be watching some videos over how to take Cornell notes, and you're going to turn those in on day 4. Cornell notes, there are a couple of videos here at the beginning to watch on how to do that. Take good notes over the quiz, so you know when I open it on Thursday or Friday that you can take it again and get 100%. The Cornell notes, I think it's day 4 that we turn those in. The other assignment this week, in addition to the quiz, is a discussion. And so, yes, we're going to be talking a lot about the Transcontinental Railroad, railroads in general, and railroads and business, kind of getting into the industrialization of the United States. And then also farmers. And the Homestead Act is going to be really important this week as well. And we're going to look at mining a little bit as well. But all of that, getting the nation back on track. Our discussion this week is talking about railroads. And I'm going to give you some other websites to take a look at about the Transcontinental Railroad. Some primary sources, and then what you are going to do is pick 2 different groups. So it could be the Native Americans versus the railroad worker, or the railroad workers and then the businessmen, the railroad businessmen, or the Central Pacific Railroad versus the Union Pacific Railroad. There's a whole list of these back on day 2. So you're going to look at the railroad from 2 different perspectives. For each perspective, explain the context, point of view, and possible bias in each account. So you're really looking at 2 different, if you're the Native Americans who are seeing this big new form of transportation that just destroys a whole bunch of your hunting grounds, that's going to be your perspective. And if you're the railroad worker who is working to make a living and working to build this across the country, that's your perspective. Also, workers versus businessmen. If you're building from the West Coast versus building from the East Coast. So that's what we're looking for. Different perspectives. So 2 different groups. You don't have to explain it from every group. Just choose 2 different groups to look at the Transcontinental Railroad being built and explain the context, the point of view, and the possible bias of each account. And then here's the rubric down here, and of course you're replying to at least 2 different classmates for full credit and everything. All right, so that is week 8. Make sure you get 100% on that quiz. Some people are leaving points on the board by not doing that. And but overall, here we are as we get going. Unit 4, Reconstruction, Industrialization, and Immigration. as we wrap up after the Civil War. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see some of you on Wednesday. Take care. Thanks.